Hello everyone! Do you remember the previous video regarding the unused shapes? Well, I am really determined to convince you these discarded items are actually amazing, and it may not even cross your mind how many things you can do with them. Just think outside the box and take your time to mix them up and try various combinations, and you can end up with a different and special little project you wouldn't even think of. For starters, just check out how many things I gathered along the years. Parts from previous projects most of all, but also parts from projects that I had in mind at some point but never started. To be easier, I arranged some of them by model, type of shape or color to be easier for me in the future to find them and figure out what should I create with them. For today's project, I chose from this big pile some shapes similar in color and some similar in shape, but also something different from all the rest for a splash of color. Before starting to arrange them, I want to describe you this particular shape because it is formed from two comb shapes, C-wraps, the exterior one bigger than the inside one, both made on a comb with a larger number of teeth. I also took a clip because I want to create a hair clip today since I have never done one before. After arranging a few times and then arranging the parts some more in different designs, I decided on this one as the final one and I started gluing the pieces together. Because I'm so in love with Swarovski crystals and because a hair clip should bring a little bling to a girl's beauty game, I added some to mine as well. Now it's time to harden it up a little, applying some glue on the back of it. When getting to attaching the clip, there are some options you can try, and I chose to glue a piece of material between my shape and the clip for a better hold. You want to make sure you use glue that can bond to metal well as a really strong one for the rest of the parts. Also, make sure you let it dry as long as it takes, and while this happens, all the component pieces have as much contact surface as possible. This means that your piece will be resistant to daily use and not fall apart the first time you wear it. And that's it. Hope you like my little hair clip. My fiancé keeps telling me it looks a little bit like an Egyptian scarab. What do you think? In any case, he gave me an idea for a future project, Egyptian style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know down in the comments if you would have made a different arrangement of the pieces. Now that you saw the final result, are you convinced that you can do many nice things with your unused pieces? Guess what, I have another project for you which uses even more of them and even a reclaimed jewelry item. Coming soon, so stay tuned. See you next time. Take care.